Hi, in front of me is MEDIATEK KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Start by accessing settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down, tap on languages and input, virtual keyboard, and your currently used one, in my case Android one. Then click on text correction over here and tap on this filter next to autocorrection. As you can see, autocorrection is now off. You can always turn it on by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!